Hello, welcome to this video. This video is compiled by Sandeep Sahgal. The moment we hear this word AWS storage, different questions come to our mind. How much storage does AWS have? What are the types of storage in AWS? How does AWS storage work? Where does AWS store data? In this video we will try to address what are the types of storage in AWS. The answer to this question is 1. Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3. 2. Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS. 3. Amazon Elastic File System, EFS. 4. Amazon FSx for Lustre. 5. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server. 6. Amazon S3 Glacier. 7. AWS Backup. 8. AWS Snow Family. 9. AWS Storage Gateway. 10. Cloud Endure Disaster Recovery. We will dig little deep for the most used service S3. In AWS, Amazon Simple Storage Service is storage for the internet. This particular web service has been designed to create web-scale computing simpler for the development community. In AWS S3 you can store and retrieve any amount of data. Every object in S3 at this time can have up to 5 terabytes of data. In S3 they use a term bucket. This bucket, in simple words, is a container for data objects kept in Amazon S3. We help you in training for AWS certifications and consulting needs.